Lifted Cummins in front of us, boys. Oh, he just hit his brakes. Yep. Nice lifted Cummins. Don't know what wheels and tires he's running, but because these people in front of me will go like freaking slow. Back by popular request, guys. Hunter's back. He's back by popular request, guys.
Holy
yeah. She's wide. She is wide. Welcome to the vlog, guys. We are at Chili's about to do some business stuff and some meeting stuff, but she is back, guys. The trucks have been reunited after so long, which has only been 3 weeks, but you know, it's whatever.
You're taller than me now.
Am I really?
No.
Wait, really?
I feel like you are. I don't know, it's pretty close.
So that's just a 2-inch level kit, so I'm not sure. So Hunter and I had the genius idea of going downtown, which is great. You know, I like going downtown Knoxville and stuff like that. Not realizing I gotta go through a parking garage and I don't have the same turning radius as I did when it was on stock wheels and tires. Wonderful. This is how I'm gonna die. This is terrifying. Oh my god, this is terrifying. Do it for the YouTube. Oh my god, help me, we're getting kicked out now.
Yeah. Sounds like a little baby truck.
Little baby truck.
Little baby truck.
Little baby truck.
You know, you only live once, right? Oh, it's a Prius. It's going down the wrong way. What an idiot.
Well,
I just want to go ram him. Let's go ram him.
I mean, it's a Prius, so.
Oh my god, they both went down the wrong way. How stupid can a little person get? Have you peed yourself yet?
5 times now. God, a bug.
Looks like you're trying to navigate the Titanic over there.
It basically is.
That's funny.
God above. That was terrifying. That awkward moment when you're ready to like clean your truck and get it all spotless and detailed for a video shoot, and then you realize you don't have any car wash soap. So you have to run to Walmart. So that's what I did to get some of my car wash soap so I can finally get my truck clean, because I'm realizing I love my 20x12s, don't get me wrong, they look fantastic on the truck, but they throw up every godforsaken thing on the damn road. And yeah, not great. Truck's all clean. It's all detailed, ready to go. We're about to get some rollers of it. I cannot wait to get rollers of the truck finally, because it's about time. It's all detailed up. We're about to head out and go do that real quick, so here we go. Guys, you know what we're heading back to. It's been about 3 weeks since we've been back to this. It's been way too long. That's right, guys, we're heading back to Mexico. I mean Hunter's farm. I mean Mexico, but you know, y'all get what I mean. Back in Mexico, everybody. There's Babe's car. Babe. Oh, it's been too long since I've been in Mexico. It's been too long since I've been in Mexico. Oh my gosh. Hi, puppies. Babe. Babe.
How dirty that truck is. Hadn't been washed since the last time we did it.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. What are you doing? That's cute. I ain't doing that. Oh, dude, this is actually a really good picture. Hey, Hunter. Hunter. Smells like shit.
And oh, with yours in the mountains. Oh.
You guys are so gay.
How are we gay?
I don't know.
How are we gay? Come on, explain to all my viewers how we are gay.
So you go on movie dates without me.
Oh my god. We went on one movie date.
That's not what Hunter told me.
Well, what did Hunter tell you? What did Hunter tell you?
Don't worry about it.
What did Hunter tell you? In reverse. This is how to take professional video of your stanced K1500 that looks amazing. That stance though, bro. You know stance? Josh has got that stance. Looks nasty. I think we're gonna do some rollers here. Oh, he just went and oh man, no, you just went and oh my god. You just ran in the water with your 20x12s that's all on the side now. What have you done? Okay. You hear that? That's a good rub.
Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah.
I might just back down the hill.
Why would you do that?
Because I have to make a 40-point turn if I don't.
We'll just go right. We'll go through the gate and turn.
Okay.
Just follow me. Look at Josh in his natural habitat.
Is this what happens when you run 20x12s on a K1500?
Look at that.
You have to do like a 78-point turn.
Oh man, that is money.
Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money.
That right there is a sexy truck for all you truck lovers out there. Yeah, well, I saw you go through. You could hear me in the video. I was like, not the water.
This is what happens, guys, when you go through water on 20x12s. It gets all over the vehicle. But you know, it's part of the game. I joined the life, so I have to accept it.
It actually looks good like that.
Yeah. Looks like I used the truck.
Well, this side didn't get dirty.
Hey guys, now we're at the point in the vlog where I did a Q&A on Instagram. If you want to be part of the next Q&A, make sure you follow the Instagram, and I'll post a picture with the Q&A lettering on it. Comment your questions down there. If they're too personal or anything like that, I just won't answer them. But thank y'all for all your comments and stuff like that. We got some really good questions to answer this week. If it is a repeat question, though, I'll just say I've said it before in a previous answer, so we'll just, just move right along with it. First question, Laney.Perry, when do you plan to get a diesel? Honestly, my plan is the end of 2018. I want to get one. That being said, though, I want to take my time with it, though. I don't want to rush into any diesel. I want to find, like I found the K1500, bone stock, grandpa owned, has all the receipts with it, nothing ever been done to it, stuff like that. And plus, I don't know which one I want to go with yet. John Ventigam _1, when do you plan on getting your truck accessories color matched? I think he's talking about the front end. The front end I want to do this summer after Daytona and Adrenaline Show. I'm going to do the front end this summer. The rear, that's what's going to be color matched, because I'll do the tow mirrors, new tow mirrors, then the new front bumper and stuff like that. The back end I'm hoping to do before Daytona is what I'm kind of shooting for. Art_Lawrence97, how much did you have to trim to make the 20x12s fit? I had to trim the air dam in the front of the truck, that black plastic piece. It still does rub a little bit. I basically full crank on the bumper, but since I'm getting a new bumper, I'm not touching it yet, and it's not that huge of a deal. Backwoodsboy.15, are you going to lift the K1500? Eventually, yes, I do want to do a 6-inch BDS lift on it. That's when this is not going to be my daily driver. It's going to be more like a show truck. But until then, no, I'm not going to lift it any more than it is now, because I love the way it looks now and it rides fantastic now. Chevy Man 9123, would you ever consider coming up to Michigan for a truck meet? Yeah, I mean, I would love to travel up north for truck meets in the summer and stuff like that. It's just that, from what I hear, there's not that many up there, and so I need to find one that's worth my while to go to. Ryan L. Marshall, have you considered a light bar on the roof? I have, but to me, this is just my opinion on them. They're kind of overplayed like that, and I don't want to drill holes in my roof of this truck. It's just, I've heard horror stories about it rotting out and water getting inside your cabin and stuff like that. I just don't want to deal with stuff like that. Hammock Kevin, you want to do a review on the old K10 when I get her running right? If I ever get her running right. Heck yeah, man. Shoot me a message. We'll get a review going on that K10, because I love your K10, man. I want to do a K10 build eventually, too. Chevy Man, again, 9123. Or would you come to Michigan for a meet and greet? I would probably come up there for a truck meet / meet and greet, but not just a separate meet and greet. I don't think I'm going to just do that. Johnny Schmurda, do you eat booty like groceries? Depends on what groceries you have, will depend on if I do that or not. Low and Slow, BS, have you considered putting a sound system in the K1500, or do you already have one? The only thing I have in the K1500 that's aftermarket sound system is my Pioneer, radio that's Bluetooth, aux cord, you know, whole 9 yards. I'm not into the bass at all, really, the bass scene that much. Yeah, I don't know. I might do a sound system eventually, like a very small bass in the back, or bass system, and then new door speakers and stuff. But that's not on my, like, front end of my radar to do. But great question, though. OBS_Chevy_Live32, are you going to upgrade to a new exhaust system? If so, what brand? If I upgrade to a new exhaust before I do the motor swap, I'll probably go with MagnaFlow. I love the way they sound, and I'll do a single out the rear. Asa Lawrence 13, do you like the stock cab lights on an 88 to 98 K1500? I do. I think they look good, especially if they're well taken care of, they're not cracked and faded and fogged up and stuff. I think they do look very good. Sissel 21, how do you feel about a dual straight pipe and 45-degree tips? On most trucks, they look good. Some I've seen that are not so great looking, but on most vehicles, I think they look very good. Brandon Poisel, do you tires rub, and how tall are they? Yes, they do rub. I answered that in the previous part of the Q&A. They rub a little bit on the front fender at full crank. And they're a 32-inch tall tire. They are a 305 by 50 by 20. Nice, great truck lug pad. I highly recommend the 420 Nanos. I love them. There's not any complaints I have about them right now at all. Knock on truck. And I absolutely love them. LT_Z71 King. Ever thought about meeting at a rest stop to convoy down Daytona? I'm working on something like that right now for Daytona. I don't know 100% what I'm going to do with that yet because of just how far the drive is, and I want to get down there. So stay tuned for that. After Rod Run, I'll be making plans on what I'm going to go on Daytona, making videos on that, guys. So stay tuned to that. Ricky_Weld says, what do you think about the S10 Ranger in Dakota? Would you lift an S10 two-wheel drive? Are you going to an event in the Carolinas? By the way, love the vids. Keep up the good work. Thank you, man, for your support and appreciation of the channel, man. It means so much to me. So I want to say first and foremost that. One thing about S10 Ranger Dakotas, they have a place in the truck world. I love how people modify them and stuff. They get a bad rap because, you know, they're mini trucks, but there's a whole different segment to the mini truck category, and that's fine. Like, if you love it, go for it. Lifting a two-wheel drive S10, that's, I mean, again, your choice if you want to do that or not. It's not something I would preferably do, but like I said, it's kind of your choice. And are you going to events in the Carolinas? I am thinking about going in July, the end of July, to the Myrtle Beach Truck Weekend. I'm not 100% sure on that, so that'll be more information be coming out on that in June. But that's kind of something I've been throwing around the idea of, so I can come out and visit you guys in the Carolinas. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm shooting for. So that's gonna be it for today, for this Q&A, guys. Like I said, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I do this about every once a month to maybe twice a month, depending. Thank you all so much for watching this vlog. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. All of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.